I'm telling you, you touched me, bro. I
Mr.
talked about
Smith.
this shit. Hey, one more. Hey,
Grab it. Don't you touch it.
Don't. No fear,
Bay, I
man.
got one at gunpoint.
No fear.
Put it down. Put it down. Bay, shots fired.
Justin Smith is a known stalker, heavily armed on the highway. Is this a mental health crisis or a calculated ambush?
Bay County 911, what's the address of the emergency?
Weber Road, Weber and 231, South Florida.
Okay, what's going on over there?
There's a guy in a red maroonish long sleeve shirt and black pants with a chain that is walking with a rifle. Not sure of the exact gun. Not even sure if it's BB, but I know a car went to turn off Weber just a second ago, and he took the gun off and pointed it at the car as the car was turning.
Bay County Sheriff's Office, where is your emergency?
There is a guy walking down at Weber Road with an assault rifle and found him.
Okay, what is your name?
And
Okay.
I was actually just heading home because this is the same guy that was stalking me at my work yesterday.
He waves at his victim, establishing a false sense of security. This is a calculated social mask, hiding his lethal intent.
Okay, just stay on the line with me. Are you close to Edward Road in Weber?
Yeah, I just kept driving. He waved at me and smiled, and I didn't turn down Edward. I just kept going straight.
Mr. Smith.
How do you know my name? I didn't give you my name.
I know you didn't.
You reached for your gun. It don't work.
Mr. Smith.
I'm not reaching for mine.
I know
Reach
you're not.
for yours.
Mr. Smith.
Reach for your
Grab
gun.
that by the strap and put it down, please.
Camera on? I don't see no red
It's
light.
on.
Son?
Mr. Smith, do you know where you're at?
Yeah.
Where you at?
Bay County. I'm on Edith. No, is this Edith Height? Nope.
It is hot.
This is Carolina. Subdivision.
Okay. Can I take that off of you?
Huh?
Can I take that by the strap and get off of you?
You worried about it? You got a gun. You got two of them.
I know, you got two
Why
as
you
well.
want mine? So why you want just one?
Mr. Smith.
He projects his internal threat, breaking the kinetic chain of compliance. The illusion of control shatters, triggering a deadly response.
Hey, I'm telling you, you touched me, bro. I
Mr.
talked about
Smith.
this shit. Hey, one more. Hey,
Grab it. Don't you touch it.
Don't. No fear,
Bay, I
man.
got one at gunpoint.
No fear.
Put it down. Put it down. Bay, shots fired. Drop the gun. Drop it.
Justin Smith was pronounced dead on scene. The deputy fired 7 rounds. Was this a justified response or an overreaction?
I need code 3 now. I got shots fired.
Data 445. 151 code 3 from the office.
Bay, shots fired. One subject down.
831. We have this location.
Weber and 231.
42451 code 3.
Back up, back up.
471 same traffic. 25 Bay, copy. Weber and 231.
That's different.
Okay, 470 route code 3 from Penny and 231. 40's en route. 6-8 Bay, if we haven't already, fire EMS around to
Mr. Smith.
6 shots fired, justified defense, or excessive force?